In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to solve a Rubik's Cube with 9 different methods, except for I'll be doing it one-handed. Now, for each method, I will allow myself a maximum of 1 algorithm that I can be looking at, because I don't know all the algs I need for all of these methods. The hard part here will be I can only look at up to 1 algorithm, and some of these have multiple algorithms I do not know. So let's get started. Okay, so overall that was a really fun challenge. Blind method was definitely the hardest because with only being allowed 1 algorithm, there was still some I didn't know, so I had to get creative with how to do it. But overall, I only ended up using an algorithm on 2 methods. That was on the OLL and PLL algorithm method only. I used a T-pom, and for the blind method, I used a Y-pom. But other than that, I did not look at any algorithms. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.